how to make GIF or GIF from a video on WhatsApp on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can create a GIF or GIF or GIF from a video on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now you have to open the chat where you want to send the GIF. Once you have opened the chat, now tap on the attach icon or the camera icon. Tap on the video. Now you have to choose the video from your gallery if you tap on your gallery, or you can simply record a new video directly within the WhatsApp. So select the video that you want to convert it into a GIF. After selecting the video, you will enter into the editor screen. Here, you can trim the video to 6 seconds or less. In WhatsApp, GIFs are limited to 6 seconds on WhatsApp, so make sure that you can either trim your video to 6 seconds or less. Once you have completed the trim, if you navigate at the top right corner, you will see two options as a video and GIF. So you have to tap on GIF to switch the format. Once you are done with that, now you can add a caption to your video and then tap on a send button to share the GIF. And here, if your video is longer than 6 seconds, trim it using WhatsApp editor to enable the GIF option. Here, the created GIF is not saved to your device by default, but is sent directly to the chat. So you can save it later by downloading it from your chat. And that's how you can create GIF from videos on WhatsApp on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.